The smartphone market has been evolving over the years, and now smartphone manufacturers are continuously striving to overcome one another in terms of features and performance. One area where there's significant updates is in the smartphone photography wing, with high-end devices boasting of advanced camera systems that could rival professional cameras. The upcoming Vivo X100 Pro Plus will take smartphone photography to the next level because it's rumored to have a 200 megapixel telephoto camera. This is a significant improvement of the telephoto lenses available in other smartphones, as you can expect to produce images with stunning clarity and detail. Ice Universe was impressed by the new camera technology, saying it will destroy the telephoto lenses of all other smartphones from 1x to 100x range. This camera will allow with high quality zooming, with Ice Universe reporting that the device will produce images with a resolution of 18 megapixel even with a 10x zoom. It's a remarkable feat and will make Vivo X100 Pro Plus a popular choice for photography enthusiasts who demand the best from their phones. Ice Universe is a reputable sources who had accurately predicted the trends such as waterfall screens, notch on iPhone 10, and a design of iPhone 14 with a dynamic island count. Other sources also confirm that 200 megapixel sensors are being developed for further future smartphones, and X100 Pro Plus is just the beginning.